Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, this video is very important for you. I am purchasing one of the outstanding accessories of my Tesla car. Where is the accessories? Oh, before start the unboxing where I am purchasing this product, I will show you first of all. I am purchasing accessories from Slack platform. Accessories I am purchasing best flexible mad curve set for Tesla Model Y and Model 3. My is Model 3. The accessories detail available on video description. You just click and order the accessories, which accessories you want like. So now we will see unboxing what exactly look like the accessories close to the camera. Now I just simply open the box. Inside the box, a Slack sticker they are providing and flexible mat cap set for the 4. This one is right. One of my is a damage, so that's why I ordered this one. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. For this one here they are providing some of the push button as well. Those one is very important, push button specially. Flexible mat cap, it's very easy to fix one. First of all, you need to remove previous one if the damage is going to happen. So the push button is a little complicated to remove, so you should remove the push button. After that, clean the portion and fix likewise. Hope you enjoy this installation. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and purchase this product from Slack platform. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.